Hello everyone, I'm Sasha, welcome to my channel. Today I'd like to tell you about my new dehydrator London Sunshine. Well, I got this dehydrator a month ago and I'm already very satisfied. It works very well for my purposes, such as drying bananas, apples, sweet potatoes, mangoes, fruit leather and so much more. Sometimes our home smells like apples with cinnamon, sometimes like bananas and mangoes, and it is so good. By the way, the most favorite recipe of mine is fruit leather. I make it with applesauce. Yes, you could use a store-bought one. Add some maple syrup and a little bit of ground cinnamon. Mix it well and dry for about 8 hours at 145 degrees Fahrenheit. The result is a very tasty treat. And really beautiful, look at this! Perfect dessert for a coffee break. Also, we love sweet potato chips. So crunchy and so delicious and so healthy. This dehydrator has a double-walled stainless steel body. An inner steel layer helps to keep the heat and save more on electricity costs. Thanks for this layer, dehydrator London Sunshine has also lower noise than other single-layer products. Just listen. OpenView door allows for easy monitoring of dehydrating process. And I really like the way it looks, no extra details. This dehydrator goes great with the rest of the appliances in my kitchen. It is not small, but it fits perfectly on the countertop. Really easy to set up and to use. Using the front touch panel, set up the timer from 30 minutes for up to 24 hours and temperature from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 167 degrees Fahrenheit. The unit will shut down automatically when dehydrating time is finished. Tiny minus, it has to be unplugged every time after use in order to power down. There is no standby button. My dehydrator has 6 stainless steel trays. These trays are easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Also, it has 6 non-stick fine mesh screens plus 1 drip tray or fruit roll sheet. All is made from BPA-free material to make healthy and safe treats. What else? Little recipe booklets will show you details on how to prepare food and how long and at which temperature to dehydrate your food. It's my first dehydrator ever, and as I said, I'm satisfied already. Can't wait for summer season to dry a lot of tomatoes and berries and also fruits and maybe some vegetables, and of course I will share with you all my experience. If you want to buy this dehydrator right now, you can get that 10% discount. Just follow the link in the description below the video and use the code CookingTime. That's it for today. Thank you for your likes and comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye.